Look, it's coming. Yay. You want milk? Do you want? Good morning, everybody. Hello. I am sleepy, but that's okay. Now time 7 p.m. No p.m. 7 a.m. It's morning. Look, no sun, not yet. Oh my god. In this video I will show you what are you doing in the village one day. I will show you everything. Okay, first I will change my clothes. Later I will feed animals. Okay. Later I will take milk. Okay, go. This is cold food. Yeah. Look. This is cold food.
Видишь, такой дурацкий папа.
Hey, it's not milk. Do you want? Do you want milk? Do you want? It is black, everywhere black. Look at this. Can you see it? Now feed is okay. Cows is eating. Now I will take milk. Yeah, milk machine. Yeah, okay. Okay, now I'm taking milk and feed is finished. Yeah, actually in the morning not too much job, but it's hard because in the morning it's yeah. Okay, now my morning job is just this. Yeah, feed, later milk, and now after milk. Okay, I can't speaking because in the morning I am sleepy anyway. Yeah, after milk we will do breakfast. Yeah, later we will go well because we will take water. Later I will clear there. I will clear cow shed. Yeah, it's bad. I know that. Don't say. Yeah, it's hard. It's dirty. It's disgusting. Yeah, you are saying this is disgusting work. Yeah, I know that. Yeah. Anyway. Yeah. Later, I don't know. Today, first morning routine. Feed, milk. Later, take water from well. Later clear shed, yeah. Later food, milk again, yeah. Village is like that. It is finished. Finish. No. Nereye nereye? It? He's crazy. I'm preparing for stove. Yeah, little cold, you know. My village is little cold, and 3 days later, snow is coming. Yeah, and I have to burn stove. Yeah, cold because cold. It's perfect. Look, wood. Can you see this? There. Go. Wood and other wood. Wood, big wood, small wood, and bigger small and very small book. Yeah, later this. Yep, it's ready. I will burn. Now I did feed small cows, but right now other small guys. Yeah. Coming! Yay! Come. Oh. Hey, Psi, are you happy? Okay, go. Now everybody is happy. My cat, my small cow, everybody happy. It's good. Yeah. This is my motivation. Other things is very hard, but feed is give you motivation, energy. I don't know. I'm happy when feed the animals. Yeah, it's good. Okay, now I will tell you something. My mom saying, Faruk, don't show cows him, other people, because we are believing if one thing is good, and people say, wow, it's really good, Faruk. Later, it's bad, and what happening something and it's bad. Yeah, we are saying this nazar, yeah, and we don't want this. And when we see good things, hey, Faruk, you have really good cows. And later I'm saying, mashallah, yeah, because we don't want the bad things. Hey, you have really good cows, Faruk, and mashallah, yeah. Please write mashallah, okay? Yes, my mom saying this. Okay. What can I do, guys? Write comments, okay? Mashallah. Now we are waiting milker and with my mom and my cat. Hey. Psst, psst, psst. Now we finished all job. Yeah, milk is done. Feed is done. I'm waiting milker man. I will give milk later. We will do breakfast. It's perfect. Now I am inside and outside is cold. I'm cold right now. Yeah, I burned stone. Fire, and I put water for it. Yeah, my mom prepare breakfast and yeah, it's perfect. Okay. Oh, it's cold. We are taking water always there, this well, because it's good and it's near from my house. Yeah, it's perfect. Okay, I have to fast because later I will clear feed place again. Shed. Yeah, what can I do? Okay, go. Look, it's close and maybe 8 meters inside. It's very big water place. Yeah, look at around. And this is perfect for us. and died. Oh my god. Hey, hey guys. I'm tired. I finished shed clear. Yeah, I don't know what is this job. Yeah, but I finished it. Now I am resting and my vest is die. It's hurting. It's really hard. Yeah, because I was do hard movie. I don't know. I'm not sure. And my vest is hurting right now. Is it bad? Is it is bad, I know, but what can I do? Yeah, village life is like that. But today my work is not finished not today, but my work is not finished, right? Yeah, not yet. I will show you, but first I will rest. Okay, I'm tired. Okay, guys, bye. I'm so sorry, guys. I lost my videos. I don't know why. I think my SD card is not working through. Yeah, I lost my videos, village videos, and yeah, my video is finished here. I hope you like this video. I show it my village one day, not all day, but yeah, this later I did feed animals. Later we eat dinner. Yeah, later sleep, and again this is like a ritual. You know, it's routine. After morning you have to wake up, later feed the animals, and it's like a routine. Yeah. Yeah, my video finished here. I hope you liked this video. I love you so much. Take care, guys. Goodbye.